In this topic, let us learn about summations. What is the difference between summations and addition? Addition is done between two arguments, whereas summations happens over n elements. Example, see here, add the values in array 1, add the values in array 2. See here, by using n.add method, the result is 246. Sum the values in array 1 at the values in array 2. See here, by using np.sum method, the result is 12. Summations over an axis. See example, perform summation in the following array over first axis. See here, by using this code, the first axis np.sum array axis 1 here, the result is 66. Cumulative sum. Cumulative sum means partially adding the elements in array. Example, the partial sum 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 1, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 1, 3, 6, 10. Perform partial sum with the CumSum function. See the example, perform cumulative summation in the following array. See, by using np CumSum array, the result is 136. Okay friends, this is the end of part 36, summations. In next video, let us learn about another topic, products.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.